Good morning, Abangers! Good morning sa inyong lahat, and to my family and friends, and to my followers, and to my family and friends. This message to Air Christina, baka mabulol na naman ako, bulol na nga. Sige, bulol, rote. Air Christina Tibor from Pangarap. Anak siya ng isang followers ko na si Miriam Tibor from Pangarap, Caloocan City. Happy birthday sa iyo. Your 18th birthday. 18th birthday, yes. Happy birthday sa iyo. And enjoy your birthday. Thank you so much. So yeah, enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo. Thank you so much. Hindi ko alam kung mabibigyan kita ng pang-cake mo kasi papunta ako ng trabaho. So, keeping touch. Thank you so much. Love you.